Hey there everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, you are going to see how to post Instagram story without losing quality. So let's get right into it. Head over to your Instagram application. Once you're there, go to the story section on the upper left corner and go to camera. And then just click a story or image. Once you do it, and just tap you can just add any location mention or any sort of music you want. You can also add your own avatar or create a poll or make a template. And then just once you do it, head over to and click on your story or your close friend story. And once you do it, your story is being posted. And yeah, this is how you can just post an Instagram story without losing quality. So yeah, here it goes. Hope this video will help you out, and we will see you in the next one.